First of all, hi to my viewers, like for new viewers, like thank you for watching this video. And basically, you have been like seeing my many videos, and you have been given us like many support to my videos. The second video, yeah, I'm talking about my second video. You guys have been given a great support to me. Like it have been encouraged me to. Like I got receive many texts from you guys that why are you not making any videos or any like education videos all about. I'm so sorry guys, but I'll make sure like if I get time I will really make videos. And the first part, it was like thanks for your all big support, and yeah, thank you. And let me introduce myself, who I am, and like let me give you my quick introduction who I am. Okay, so let me give you my small introduction. Okay, so basically my name is Dipesh Rana, and I am a student of MBA marketing, like second year doing from SSR, from SSR, like IMR, Institute Management and Research. And basically I am making educational videos, and yeah, so and you guys today know about that from the title only, from the thumbnail, that on which topic I will be talking about. Okay, okay. So let's move to another slide. So yeah, how do you get numbers of strangers by playing secret games? So like, if you have seen like before on YouTube, like 2 or 1 year back, there was like a trend that people or the YouTubers are going and approaching the strangers, and like from 2 to 3 minutes they are getting any numbers from any strangers. They are getting numbers. So what they are like there was a game in 21, if you guys remember. Let me Okay, so if you guys remember, like there was a game 21. So who are not aware of this game 21, let me give you a debrief about what is that 21 game. So basically 21 number of game is that all about, that in which you have to speak about numbers. So suppose for example, I am a person and I will go straight to the person who is or a stranger in the public. So I will going and asking for play this game, and if he agrees, so we will play this game. And while playing this game, what is the rules about what is the rule of this game 21 is that whosoever like this game is let me frankly speak that this game 21 is all about playing is two people only. No, you cannot play this in group, because there is some secret I have found while exploring this game. I have some secrets I have basically that's found. Basically I got the mastery into it, and I got perfect that it will give you surely 100% that you will win this game if you I would say just apply my concept in this game, which I will give you I would say I will revealing it in some time. But before, let me give you a quick glimpses about this game, how you should play this game. So basically, if you go to public places, suppose for example I was going in public places, and I let me give you a story what I was doing. I was in Surat, and I was having a coaching at Times Institute. So sometime what I was doing, like I was not attending the classes, but I was going to peoples and approaching peoples, and like basically I was approaching to girls and having quick numbers from them, and I was like enjoying. So yeah, so basically my making this purpose for making this video is that how anyone or any boy or girl can have or should get anyone's numbers in quick in 3 minutes or 2 minutes. So yeah, so basically 21 game, let me talk to you about 21 game. What is 21 game? So basically what happens, like in here you should approach another person. This game is all about two person only. You can approach your friend or whoever you want to do, I would say, approach. So basically you approach another person and you tell him that let's play a game 21. If he agrees or she agrees, so what you can do, you just debrief the game. So what is the game is all about? You have to speak numbers, and what are the rules? The rules are that you should speak maximum 3 numbers or minimum 2. I'm sorry, maximum 3 numbers, and you should minimum you should say 1 number. And while playing this game, okay, let me go on another slide. So while you are you should give intro about what is the game all about, because another person is not knowing about this game. So you should say to her or him that this game is a quick game, and you will, if you win you can do whatever you want, but if I win, the same, if I win I will get your number, or a quick game. So if she agrees, so you will ask her that you will say about the rules. So rules are simple, that minimum you have to speak 1 number and maximum 3. So like suppose for example, I would say I was a player in this game. I got many numbers, and what I was doing, I was approaching to peoples, and I was getting many numbers from girls, and yeah. So you guys also can get many numbers. So what was the trick? Suppose for example, I was let me start. That the number is like, suppose now I should repeat that maximum you can speak 3 numbers, like for 1 2 3 1 2 3, or 1 2 or 1, or then another person turns came around from next person who was playing this game. So turn by turn, the person gets the opportunity, and the person has to speak 3 numbers at least, or no, at least 1 number, or not more than 3 numbers. He should at least speak, I would say, not more than 3 or not less than 1. So, and numbers from 1 to 21 cannot be repeated, right? So you should suppose like I said 1 2 3, the next person, or like another player, or like or the person the person who I am approached to, he should like, or he or she should be like approaching, or he will be saying the number 4 5 6 or 4 5 or 4. It depends on the person. I should not say that what he will be speaking, or what he will speak, or she will speak. But yeah, it is, make sure that these are some cool tricks which I will be revealing right now. Okay, let me reveal you that. Okay, these are the numbers. So suppose for example, like there's a player on another side. What you should never forget is all about, you should never forget about to say number 9 and 13. Why? Because this game is all about whoever the person lands on 21 loses the game. And if you guys, this is my mastery, and what I was like, I have played for months. I was playing this game for months and months, like when I was in my graduation days. So I was like getting many numbers, and yeah, so this was a trick. So you guys never forget to say the number, forget the number of 9 or 13. You should have your conscious mind that you should never forget 9 or number 13. You should always speak. And while your partner or your opponent should not get too defeated by you, because you got the trick of this game, and you have to speak. So suppose for example, let me give you a demo. Suppose like there is a next person, like she said 1 2 3. So you said 4 5 6. Then she said 7 8 9. Now what? She has spoken 9. So now what you will do? So the main thing what I was trying to say, you like, she said 9. Okay, fine. She said 9. But you should always try to speak 9 or 13. You have lost one opportunity to speak 9. Okay, it's fine. Now she said 9. Now you should say like 10. Okay, she said 11 12. Now you should depend upon situation. You speak either you should speak 9 or 13. You have to speak. If you can't speak 9, it's fine. But you I would say if you fail to say number 13, you will lose the game. Yeah, I'm repeating, you will lose the game, because the key mastery of this game is 13. What I was found, 9 is there. So 9 is secondary. If you forget, like if if you have opportunity you speak 9 but you lost the opportunity of 9, it's okay. But if you forget to say number 13, you will lose the game. So yeah, you should speak the number 13. And she said like 7 8 9 or 8 9. So what you will do, you should say 10. Now she will speak 11 12, yeah, or 11, yeah, or it might be the possibility that she will speak or he will speak 11 12 13. So you will lose the game. So my point is, you should have the probability to speak at least not two but one number, which is the mastery of 13. You should speak the 13th number, because this is the game and this is the trick what I was found. And yeah, from this I get you get 100% possibility to win this game. So yeah, and you said 13 first of, you said 13, and now what games continue, and you said 13 14 15 or 13 14. So now what another person will do, he will also speak 14 15 16 or 15 16 17, it depends. Then your turn comes, or like her turn comes. So as you spoken about 14 15 16, what she will do, that she will speak that 17 18 or 19. She probably can speak three numbers more, or not not more than three numbers, or not at least one number. She has to choose between maximum three or minimum one number. She have to choose. So what she or he will do, he will or she will always try to have maximum number or minimum number. So what he or she will do, that 17 18 19 she speak, as the possibility of saying the number has been exhausted. So now you have not now your turn has been gained. Now you will say 20. Now the 21 will land upon that another person and you will win the game. So this game is all about a very simple trick, that now you go to the public places, or you approach any friends and you say that just play this game 21, and just give a small demo to them, like moreover you have to speak not more than three numbers and not less than one, and the number should not be repeated, and whoever lands on 21 loses the game. And you will dare to have your give your opinion what you want, or if you want number, you take at quick numbers in like, I would say, minutes, like in 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Yeah, it's in my guarantee you will get in number in 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Yeah. So guys, this video is all about I was revealing this game secret level. I was revealing this game a secret. So yes guys, you will enjoy this game by playing it to your friends. And yes guys, thank you for listening me, and thank you to my new viewers. If you are new on my channel, just subscribe my channel and give your support. And yeah, like I would say again that thank you guys for my you have given a great support to my second video, which was views got more than views got about 100, not 100, 1k. So thank you, it was a great support. I was like motivated. I got many texts like on the page, like make more videos and you have to develop something more, you have to be creative. Yes, I thank you guys for your feedbacks, but I will be making videos sooner or later. But yes, I will make it videos. So guys, if you like my videos, so please guys like my video and comment in the comment section what you are in the search for it. What should I make another video which would be helpful to you, or in educations or in personal life. So what guys you topics you are needed, just comment in the comment section and I will be making this video. And yeah guys, I wanted to share you something, that if you are like searching for a public speaker, I'm a beginner and I am searching like for greater opportunity, and I'm I'm wanted to say that if in your society or in your schools or colleges, if any public speaker you are searching for, then please just contact me on my social media. This is my Instagram account. You will just text me all over there. Sorry, I'm not giving my number, but yeah, I'm giving my social account, Instagram account. You can contact me all over there, and you can just guys text me. So guys, thank you for listening listening to me and supporting my video. So guys, thank you.